Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix controller drift on your PlayStation 4 quickly and safely. First, turn off your PS4 and disconnect the controller. Take a microfiber cloth and gently clean around the thumbsticks to remove dust, dirt, or debris that may be causing drift. You can also use a small amount of isopropyl alcohol for better results. Next, move the thumbsticks in all directions repeatedly to loosen any particles stuck underneath. Using compressed air around the base of the sticks can help clear hidden dirt. After cleaning, reconnect the controller and test it. If drift persists, reset the controller by pressing the small reset button on the back using a pin, then reconnect it to the console via USB cable. If the problem continues, check for firmware updates for your controller or consider professional repair, as worn sensors may need replacement. Following these steps should improve thumbstick accuracy and reduce drift issues significantly. Subscribe the channel for more videos.